Hey everybody, good evening. Jim here, Racers and Rods Media Network. Hey, we're out here in Sarasota with the detail guys tonight. Little cruise in kind of deal. A lot of cars here, a lot of import cars. We had some lowriders here. You're going to see all that in the video. We're here at Bolero, the bowling alley down in Sarasota near Gulfgate. Everybody's going to have some free bowling here from 8 to 10. Right now they're all hanging out. Everybody's checking out the cars. So we're going to get the videos to you and check it out. We'll see you at the next show.
Working hard, but we never had a breath. On to the next. Everybody take a rest. Can a man just flex? Flex. I said beggars never choose, winners never lose. Who the fuck is you? About to take a snooze. Beg you tell the truth, yeah, beg you tell the truth. Lying to yourself, but in your eyes you got no clue. I come back like spinal and spin the vinyl. Don't come back with my flow, there'll be no survival. I'm defiant with the rules everywhere that I go. That I lay low if I pick the high road, yeah. And it goes, no rest for the wicked at all. And it knows. Working hard, but we never had a breath. On to the next. Everybody take a rest. Can a man just flex? Working hard, but we never had a breath. On to the next. Everybody take a rest. Can a man just flex? Give me the jewels, give me the goals, give me the good shit, keep it brand new. I had to move, switch fuels. I was getting kinda sick of the commute. Give me a Uber with no roof, and I crash Bandicoot with the ice in my glass like the cup caught the flu. Sick, I choke. And you don't say as you do now. And it goes, no rest for the wicked at all. And they know. Working hard, but we never had a breath. On to the next. Everybody take a rest. Can a man just flex? Working hard, but we never had a breath. On to the next. Everybody take a rest. Can a man just flex? Flex, 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 flex,
Got a 1 of 67 Cadillac CTS 6-speed manual. There's a bunch of them that came in just an automatic transmission, but yeah, this one here I saved from the yard. It's about to get crushed or something, but yeah, so we revived this one and wonder how many are left out there. It's a 2011 CTS.
And it's a, what motor and transmission you got in it?
Oh, it's just a 3.0 6 V6, naturally aspirated.
Hands on the popcorn, it's about to go down. Hold on to your hats, it's about to be a showdown. From the back to the front, give me low ground. Everyone around, I'm performing for the whole crowd. The home team winning, whole team grinning while they watching from the sidelines. They all sitting, watch them go to sleep. Hope you got fresh linen. Can't get to the end if you don't know the beginning. Get your tickets ready, it's the main event. I know you mad, huh? Your time came and went. First place at last, that's where we save the best. So place your bets and say it with your chest.
Wake up! We here! Wake up! We here! Oh yeah, we gon' do it!
Ready for another round, knocking your door down. Getting more power, dollars, more pounds.
Wake up! No fear!
More offense, door off hinge. Dogs off the leash now, so let the dogs in. You barking up the wrong tree, you think you gon' win. That's like trying to take a pee in the strong wind. I don't mean to sound cocky, but the odds are stacked against you. Confidence is building and that feeling so essential. I'm about to test you, I'm about to test you. Let's see who got it, who really special. Get your tickets ready. place at last. That's where we save the best. So place your bets and say it with your chest.